अच्छा, अच्छा, okay. So you had really when was the last time you went to Jharkhand?
It was, I think, 2 years ago.
So you still don't know. You should know that it was only 2 years ago.
Yeah. Like I don't know the area's name actually. I forgot because I haven't been there in so long.
So if I say the name, then will you be able to remember it?
Yeah, maybe.
Dhanbad,
No.
Ranchi.
Yeah, Rachi, yeah, Rachi.
Ranchi, you're from the capital, Ranchi. Actually, I'm also from Jharkhand, so that's why I know about Jharkhand. Most of your classmates may not be knowing about Jharkhand too, that's right?
Yeah.
घूमने से कौन करता है Jharkhand को?
Everyone just thinks of it as Bihar.
हाँ, everyone thinks like everything north they assume it to be either UP or it is Bihar.
Yeah.
I mean, most of the people they would not even know Chhattisgarh because there's one state Chhattisgarh also. Do you know
Yeah.
Chhattisgarh?
Yeah, I know Chhattisgarh. I've never been there, but I learned about it.
Obviously, you learn these. Even people learn about Jharkhand also in
Yeah.
SST. Right?
Yeah.
When they learn about coal mines and everything. There. So, what school do you go to?
I go to New Middle East International School, or NMEIS for short.
Hmm. How did you come to know about Learnivio, this platform?
What? I'm sorry, you went all over.
Or I'm asking, how did you come to know about this tuition coaching?
I think my father received a message or his friend told him about it.
Oh, you don't have any friends. Maybe you have some classmate who is studying here right now. Because I have, but I don't remember the name of school of every student there. But
Um,
can you tell me? Yeah, you
I
were
don't,
saying something.
no, 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 I wasn't. I was just thinking.
So you don't know of anyone.
No, I don't know. No.
And what chapters are done in this school till now?
Some basic concepts is done and structure of an atom is done. We had started classification of elements and periodicity, and I think, yeah, that's all we've done so far.
Any upcoming tests?
Upcoming, we have, I have to check 1 second. I think we might have thermodynamics coming up, but we haven't started that chapter yet. And chemical bonding and molecular structure, we have assessments coming up for that.
But you have not started chemical bonding till now, right? In the school.
No, I think we were supposed to have online during vacation because we're kind of lagging in the portion, but she hasn't taken any yet.
So bad. Yeah, obviously, yes, that's true. Periodic table must be over till now. Chemical bonding should have been started till now. And also because it is school, they will probably end your syllabus in December anyhow.
Hmm.
And yeah, this makes sense. Chemical bonding. When does your this start the session?
My school after vacation.
No, no, it would be starting in May. Sorry, September after vacation, right?
Yeah,
But when did it start? Like initially, when did you start going to school?
I started in April, I think.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine. When's your upcoming test? You said like any dates still no?
Uh, I'm not sure about the dates because they postponed it a little bit, so it's like not.
To be
Not
safe,
this.
can I write mid-September?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I know
So
that
how
as
was
soon as
how was your
school is opening after 1 week, we'll be having it, but we're not sure like about the particular date.
second week
Okay.
of September? So how has been chemistry till now?
I'm sorry, what?
How has been chemistry till now?
My chemistry, it's kind of hard to like cover everything because our teacher is kind of lagging. So
So if
it's
your
like
teacher is lagging, then obviously they are going slow, right?
yeah.
So if they're slow, then you're not able to pick up what will happen if they get fast.
No, actually, like we we can't really understand our teacher that well right now because she's new and she doesn't really know what to cover properly. So that's sort of a problem
Oh,
in that. Yeah.
okay, okay, fine. So tell me a topic that you really struggled with
Um,
so that I can make it easy.
it's about the
Rather, give me two, three topics because I think obviously some topics are related. I mean, you should have
yeah.
some prerequisite knowledge in order to understand that topic. So obviously, if you tell me that topic, I will not be able to explain if I have not explained something previous, whatever is prerequisite for that. So tell me a few topics, and I will hopefully make it
I
easy.
think
Hmm.
it's really hard in the first chapter to tell in numericals what we have to do because I'm sometimes when the question comes, I'm not sure like what formula we're supposed to use and what we're supposed to do.
Okay, so give me a question. If you remember
Mm,
any one or two questions that you were not able to do.
okay, 1 second, I'll have to find it. Can I just get my notebook really quick?
Yeah, sure, no problem, no problem.
Okay, so um, there's this question in my notebook.
Mhm.
In structure of an atom, it's there.
Yes.
1 second. No, 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 sorry. 1 second. Okay, there is this question. It's calculate the mass of 0.5 molecule of a sugar. And then the second part to it is
Wait.
when that gram molecule of sugar is this much. Okay, yeah. So the question is calculate the mass of 0.5 molecule of a sugar. So when these questions come, I'm not really sure what to do because our teacher didn't really tell us how to do these.
How to calculate
Calculate the mass of 0.5 gram molecule of a sugar.
0.5 gram.
Yeah.
0.5 gram, then
Molecule of a sugar.
0.5 gram molecules
Yeah, of a sugar.
of your
And
of a sugar. Wait. Of a sugar. And
there's a second part to this question that says gram molecules of sugar in 547.28.
no, I'm not like. Is this question in NCERT? I don't think so. Question.
Our teacher has given us this question, so I'm not really sure.
Oh no. I mean, fine. So they have not taught you what is gram molecule, or they have written of a sugar randomly. Like there is not. They don't
Yeah.
mention anything. Basically, see, one more thing is that gram molecule they must not have taught. Gram molecule is just another name for mole.
Okay.
0.5 mole of a sugar. Fine. So they must not have taught because NCERT does not cover gram molecule and gram atoms type of thing. So gram atom is mole. It is just an old name for mole. Fine.
Okay.
So, but still the question is, I don't think. And gram molecule, what did you say? And gram molecule of second person?
Sugar for 547.28.
Sugar for 5,
Or
4,
7.28.
7.28 grams.
Yeah.
Now it depends like what we are taking as sugar. They have, are you really sure they have just said sugar, nothing else?
Okay.
Hmm?
What? I'm so sorry. You're not that audible.
I'm saying you're completely sure that there is only sugar. There is nothing in the brackets like formula or anything.
No, there's no formula given.
Then obviously you'll not be able to do this because see, if I take sugar as sugar itself, then sugar is sucrose, which has a molecular formula of. I mean, this question is not. It's an incomplete question because it contains C12, H22, and O will be O11. Fine. The molar mass of this will come out to be 342 grams.
Okay.
And you can see like this is the mole 0.5 moles of sugar you are having. One mole weighs 342 grams. So we can say that 0.5 moles is going to weigh 342 into 0.5. 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. This will be equal to how much? We have 1 and then we have 7 and then we have 1 grams. Is this the answer?
Yeah, that is the answer.
So they are taking sucrose. I mean, I just guessed it because, yeah, obviously, fine. If you're having problems on only these type of questions, then it's perfectly fine because it is an incomplete question for a 11th standard student. You must not know what is sugar, like whether it is glucose, maltose. You don't know anything. You don't know what is the molecular formula of sugar. I mean, I'm a teacher, so I can assume fine sugar will be sucrose and it will be having like this is the formula. I know this. You will be knowing this formula only after like when you study about sucrose in 12th standard in biomolecules chapter. Fine. So here what they should do, they should either uh, tell you a few things. For example, if they have given urea, then the formula of urea is going to be C double bond O, here NH2 and here NH2. And similarly, if there is any word like glucose, then you should know the formula C6H12O6. If there is any word sucrose, or rather than sucrose, they will also give you word sugar. Then the formula will be C12H22O11. If they have not taught you this thing, then obviously it is not expected from you to know about these sucrose, the formula of sucrose and the formula of sugar on your own, since you're coming from the 10th standard. Fine.
Yes.
But let us suppose I'm just converting this question to something which you may be able to understand. Fine. So the question is now calculate the mass of 0.5 gram molecule of water. The only thing here that you need to know is what is the formula for water, Tony?
What is the formula for
Water. What's the formula for water?
H2O?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, H2. And we just now, I told you that gram molecule is just an old name
Mole.
for mole, right?
Yes.
What is the molar mass of water?
18 grams, I think.
Yeah, 18 grams per mole. So we can say that 1 mole weighs 18 grams. So 0.5 mole weighs how many grams?
Um,
If
9
you're going to
grams?
think, 9 grams. If you're going, don't think too much. Okay, it's very, like for example, 1 mole, I mean, let's suppose what I can say, deg, kadhai.
Yeah.
What other word? एक कढ़ाई में 18 लोग खाते हैं तो आधे कढ़ाई में कितने लोग खाएंगे that
Right.
type of process
Okay.
make sense
Yeah.
right okay fine so give me something else like obviously here you were not expected to know the answer you were not expected they have not taught you that gram molecule is just another word for a mole I think so right
Yeah.
hmm.
Okay,
Okay,
there's
that's
another question that is, what is the volume of 17 grams
wait what is the volume of 17 grams
of NH3
of NH3
yeah, at
just
STP?
just acha, at STP this is how so do you know like STP what is STP where it is used any idea about STP hmm?
I just know that STP, I don't know, but there was this thing that our teacher said that STP is 22.4 and NTP it's 22.7, I think.
Understood. So fine. So STP is the short form of standard temperature and pressure. So basically, when we learn about moles, we learn three different things about moles. Mole we learn as number, and that number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We also
Okay.
learn moles as mass, and this mass is nothing but molar mass. Now, molar mass is going to depend, like 1 mole as a number, it is this much. 1 mole as a mass, that is molar mass. Molar mass is going to be, for example, hydrogen, it is equal to 1 gram. For helium, it is equal to 4. For lithium, it is equal to 7. For carbon, it is equal to 12. For oxygen, it is equal to 16, and so on. This is known as gram atomic mass. We have heard this.
Yes.
And another thing is gram molecular mass. So basically, it is, for example, for water, it is 18. For carbon dioxide, it is 44. For sodium hydroxide, it is 40. For example, for H2SO4, it is equal to 98. For HNO3, it is equal to 63. For ammonia, it is equal to how much? Tell me.
Ammonia is equal to
Let me help you.
9.
Nitrogen, it is 14. अब बताइए.
Yeah, 14 plus 3, I think. So it'll be 17? No, wait.
70. No, wait, what? No, wait. 14 plus 3. You're thinking about 14 plus 3. So what stream are you in? Like, what are
I'm
the
in
subjects you have taken?
I've taken
PC?
PCB.
Biology. Wait, I will rephrase my question. You have taken biology or you have not taken math?
I haven't taken math.
So, how does chemistry think? Huh? What did you think? Like, you will leave math? Laika? Math is not going to leave you. Math is not going to leave you, for sure. What are you learning in physics? Vector. You must be learning about vectors, right, in physics?
Yeah.
Everything is in graph, everything is in math. Math is not going to leave you. Are you planning to give NEET?
Yeah.
Even then, math is not going to leave you. Have you seen any report, like any medical reports? You must have seen, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's full of numbers, right?
Yes.
You have to do calculations and give the person, according to the like the blood report, you have to assign them certain medications of certain dosage. That would also depend on the age, on the weight of that particular person, right?
Yes.
So start developing an interest in math. Okay, think like
Yeah.
in your YouTube for a few months, it should be completely filled how good math is, how good math. If you don't feel good about math, you will be having problems. For sure, if you will be having this reluctance, 14 plus 3 wala reluctance,
Yes.
17. Like you will not be even able to do this simple calculation that 11 into 3 will be equal to 33. You will be doing in the examinations like this. Even the 3, even the 3. Then also you will not be very much sure that 11 into 3 is 30. Okay. So
Yeah.
start developing a bit of like feel good type of thing for math. If you're going to feel good and be comfortable with math, then it's going to help you. Fine. Okay. Now coming back, we have said that the mass of ammonia is how much? 17,
17
right?
grams. Yeah.
17 grams. That is the molar mass of ammonia. Correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You understand that? Yes
Yes.
or no? You understand this, right? The meaning of molar mass will be the mass of one mole. Correct?
Okay. Correct.
Okay. Or you understand this?
I understand.
You understand? No, no. When you say okay, it feels like जी हम मान ले
Yeah.
रहे हैं आप बोल रहे हैं तो. Then we have a definition for volume. It is basically molar volume. From here, what we are going to get? We are going to get molar volume. The volume occupied by one mole of. What is this number? This number is the
Volume.
number when you have one mole. What is molar mass? Mass of one mole. Molar volume, mass of sorry. Molar volume is volume of one mole of any substance. Not any substance, but rather only gases. This is defined only for gases, only for gas, and at acidity. Right? Now,
Okay.
molar volume, this is the volume of one mole,
Volume of 1 mole.
and this is it is equal to 22.4 liters. That makes sense?
Yes.
Now, 17 gram of ammonia, that is also one mole. That is the
Yes.
molar mass, the mass of one mole of ammonia. So, if this is one mole, the volume will be how much? What is the volume of one mole of any substance?
Volume of 1 mole of any substance is 22.4.
So, volume for one mole of ammonia will also be 22.4 liters. Does that
Yes.
make sense?
Yes, it does.
Okay, I understand. There are gaps in like whatever has been taught to you. Like, you have not been taught complete things. That is why you're having some gaps here and there. तो
Yeah.
लाइक एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर में तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा हालत खराब हो गई आपकी. वहाँ पे तो पावर्स ऑफ टेंस एंड द decimals are also like very weird. 6.6 to 6 into 10 to the power
Yeah.
minus 34. For energy
Yeah.
it is 2.18 and everything. Okay,
Mhm.
but we are going to go slowly and like, when each and everything is done in simple steps, and progressively we are going to increase the level. Right? At the end of some basic concepts of chemistry, there will be one question that we are going to do in approximately 2 pages or a single sheet. Okay, but we are going to start with small questions, obviously, and that question is it is in NCERT. We are not going to deviate too much. Okay, we are going to do some easy questions of from here and there, but the tougher questions are going to be from NCERT itself. Okay, like and
Yes.
don't worry about it. Like it's going to be fine. You just have to be a bit comfortable with math. If you get too much discomfortable with math, it will be a problem. Another thing that we have to uh, think about is unitary method. Have you heard of this term? Unitary method?
No.
You must not have heard about this method, but you must have done it. For example, 5 apple, they cost, let us suppose 125 rupees. So what is the cost of 7 apples? How do we do these type of questions? First of all, we are going to find the cost of
1 up.
1 apple, which will be equal to 125
Divided by 5.
divided by 5. And whatever this value. Now, another thing that you have to like, learn here is that we don't uh, we don't simplify the fractions until the last step, right? So I'm going to keep this as 125.5. 120 because अगर मान लीजिए 7 नहीं होता यहाँ पे 15 होता. Now this question will become very easy. 125 by 5. This is the cost of one apple into 15. So I have to just do 3 like this. Now it becomes easy. But if you were dividing it, then it will become difficult, right? Okay, all of these things are going to know slowly and slowly, right?
Yes.
So you will be like we have like currently I'm doing in one batch I'm doing chemical bonding. In the other batch I'm doing periodic table. Both of those batches will be most probably merged. So you will be kept in a new batch where I will be starting from the basics. But one thing is for sure, good things they take a bit of time. So, like if you're expecting that I will teach you for the test that is coming on the second week, then I can do that. It's not going to be too much of a problem.